Time now for the Robotic Milking Minute. Thinking about robotic milking on your dairy? Here with us now is Greg Larson from Gia Farm Technologies to discuss planning and management tips for robotic operations.
Greg, say a producer wants to switch over to a robotic milking system. What would be the impact on feed costs?
Traditionally, what I see is if you have a dairy producer that's producing their own forages and grain base currently, it will cost them slightly more to feed cows with a robotic system than a conventional system, because 90% of all robotic users use some form of a feed pellet in the robot, and to pelletize your corn, your protein, or to purchase that does cost money. So we are seeing producers are reporting back to me when they do their cash flow analysis, when they break down the cost of feed per hundredweight, it's costing them more to feed cows in a robotic facility than a conventional system.
But there is a trade-off for that, isn't there?
But that balance and trade-off is towards applied labor and the fact that your cows are being milked 3 to 4 times per day. So really, in that minor aspect of looking at that feed cost, yes, the feed cost is higher, but then you have to take a look at milkings per cow per day, which has been increased from conventional systems, as well as a major decrease in your applied labor on the farm.
Through the course of the year, each month we'll target a different topic as it relates to robotic milking. Of course, we're talking about feeding and nutrition and the impact that it has on feed costs this month. But the decision to switch to robotic milking is no doubt one of the biggest and challenging decisions that a manager may face. But Greg, you are seeing firsthand that it's really paying off for the farmers who made that switch to robotic milking, huh?
Yeah, it has been. We've had some very satisfied customers. The largest obstacle that these producers are facing at this point is really understanding what direction the dairyman wants to take in regards to cow trafficking systems. We have many producers that are averaging well over a 3.0 milking interval per cow per day. We have put together some wonderful barn plans in regards to handling the freshening areas, handling the post-fresh areas, having general population for mature cows, having general population for heifer groups. So when we have the ability to segregate off of body condition scoring or segregate off of age of that animal, we really have some positive effects to be able to employ automation, but yet specialize on individual groups, cows, and needs. And that's really what it comes down to, is still taking care of your groups, still taking care of your cows, and maximizing the amount of milk harvested per day per cow.
Thanks, Greg. More next month with Greg Larson from Gia Farm Technologies.
Robotic Milking Minute with Greg Larson is heard the second Thursday of every month. Brought to you by Gia Farm Technologies and MI1, the no-compromise robotic system to enhance your future in dairying. To learn more about robotic milking, call 1-877-WS-DAIRY.